We're tracking flooding along the Guadalupe River. This is especially headed towards Spring Branch next. Cresting tonight at 37 feet. That would be covering Highway 281. Later on this evening, the rise is going to happen rapidly. So if you're near the banks of the Guadalupe River, especially around Spring Branch going forward and all the way to Canyon Lake, you need to seek higher ground. Also, Canyon Lake will be able to take this influx of water. The Canyon Lake Dam and people on Canyon Lake should be okay from this. It's everybody along the Guadalupe River that needs to take action. Track us live and the whole situation live streaming over the air on KSAT 12 and of course KSAT.com, KSAT Plus.